Hi, my name's Rachel. I'm a director of marketing in the architectural industry, and I would give OpenAsset a 4 out of 5. Prior to implementing OpenAsset, we struggled with our photography management. We had 13 offices who are all individually responsible for their own photography and no main area to store the information, let alone keep it organized. So it was pretty much a free for all. And hence our reason for looking at OpenAsset to really merge all of the photography for projects and people and staff into one central location. The main reason we chose OpenAsset was predominantly because of its online portal. You're able to upload, manage, tag, and share photos all fully online through the web-based interface, which is incredibly useful when you're dealing with 300 people across 13 cities across the country. Another reason we chose it is just the ease of use. It's very user friendly. You're able to train people on the program pretty thoroughly within a very short period of time. So we were able to really get into the program, start using it almost immediately. And the third really important thing was its ability to use with InDesign and PowerPoint, which are two programs that we use on a daily basis. And it's very easy to just drag and drop images into either a template or into a live document, which has been incredibly helpful in creating collateral. When it was time for us to implement OpenAsset, it was incredibly easy. We actually selected the OpenAsset customer team to do our data migration for us, our initial one. We had over 20,000 assets that needed to be migrated and organized. And it was pretty seamless once we were able to also connect it to Deltek Vision, which we do use. And the onboarding part of it was incredibly easy. The Open Asset Service team were there to train us either individually or as a group at whatever level we were going to utilize it. So, whether it was being an administrator like myself or someone who was going to be a once a month user, their training was really helpful and incredibly thorough and really very easy for everybody to start utilizing the program within a matter of a week. Some recommendations I have for anyone thinking about implementing Open Asset is to um, make sure that the library that's going to be migrated into OpenAsset is fairly organized. You really want to try and avoid duplicates, which we didn't do at the very beginning. So if you have a library that's existing that has multiple sizes of every image, you'll want to clean that up before you do the data migration. That really makes things a lot simpler. One of the best things about OpenAsset is you only have to import or upload one image size, which is generally your high resolution image size, and the software program will automatically resize it for you based on your needs. So, having those libraries cleaned up to avoid duplicates is huge and very important, will save you a ton of time. If you do use Deltek Vision, you'll want to go ahead and also have some sort of a spreadsheet that has your connecting numbers. So when Deltek Vision talks to OpenAsset, you'll be able to have that at the get go versus doing it after the migration. That would be really helpful. And I think lastly, take advantage of the training and the customer service program that they do have. They, like I mentioned, have so many different training programs and they're all included in your subscription. So making sure that you're constantly training and updating your employees and your users is really, really helpful. The program has definitely evolved over the 2+ years that we've used it. And we're always getting new training and learning how to take advantage of the new options, and that's also really, really great. So that would be my recommendations.